a POV ride with the scat, Glow Scat 617. It's your boy. Right now I'm going to work with bald tires in this motherfucking rain. Slipping and sliding, dipping and dabbling. Shit ain't safe. You better get it straight. But nah, I'ma make it. It's not crazy shit, but put my window up. I just want to do a POV drive. I'm going like 60-ish. But you know, you have to play it safe, feel me? Because my back tires have been cutting the fuck up in the city and on the highway. So now, I'm going to work. Feel me? Let y'all know. Give me them subscribers. Subscribe, tune in. Damn, it's hot. Get your boy, man, to 1,000 subscribers, dog. Real talk, man, dog. I love all the support. I've been getting them at 379 type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my Lil Durk and J. Cole shit all my life. Trying to do this for y'all, give y'all that good content. Check out the other posters running it up. It's cutting up. You know what I'm saying? We met a few people. Shit. Trying to get the city lit. Dogs. We'll keep it rocking. You might be 2 videos of the vlog at night and daytime. It's not wet. The streets ain't wet. But also be careful because Boston roads real sticky-ish. But yeah, just have to keep that going. I think I said on my last one, I'm getting new brakes and some fucking new tires. I told you this is the hood scat. It's real shit. I could get it done. But me is like, yo, what the fuck? But I really do though. I'm really trying to get that shit done before my trip to NC. Feel me? North Carolina home base. Cause I really need to do something. Doing cutting up out there too. Vlogging with the squad and shit. Gonna get y'all that content. Oh, and I just been cruising though. Everybody with the all fucking wheel drive shit. Y'all niggas is lucky. But don't worry though. We gon' pull up in that motherfucker Durango. Oh, a Jeep. Cause I need another car too to push. This would be like the street car, the Dodge shit. Now I cut up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You hear me room. That's all you go get. Shit. Well, when it's raining, I take my time too. I think it's the last vlog I did. I was in the snow. I was sliding like a motherfucker. I was like, damn. I said, look, help me. And he got me to the promised land. I ain't doing no dumb shit, man. The roads is crazy. And he got me to work. This happened last time. It was raining so hard. I was like, damn. And see everybody going fast and shit. Forget all that. But nah, though. Real shit. Might be 2 vlogs to this. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what I'm doing. But this is a night vlog. This is a night vlog shit. Just a night ride, then it'll be a day one. I think the sun will be popping out. But anyways, y'all tune the fuck in on dogs. Shit, another POV. You know my Celtics. Come on, baby. I had to get myself this update, man. Never give up, man. We going to work, man. You know the vibes, man. POV in the morning. It still be 2 parts. I know there's probably like 2 parts. I did one that was dead. Put it together in this one. Get the shit. Got like 48 minutes type shit. Just chilling. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibe. Scatty man and a Scattiana. This summer about to get spooky. And yo, we had a parade yesterday. Forgot to vlog. That was my bad. But shit, we straight though. I'm gonna give y'all some bangers anyway, so don't be worried about it. I just need a camera person, you know what I'm saying? Loyal and shit. They know what they doing. That they don't know what they doing, that they don't know what they doing. So yeah. But yesterday it was lit though, I ain't gonna hold you though. Now I have to go to work. Shit. All that other shit, man. Both jobs tonight. Gotta get that money. Gotta get that money. But I ain't stressing myself though, feel me? This YouTube shit go blow. Just be prepared, man. I'm coming. Scat 617's on the way. Yeah, they get out your way when I'm coming through. They know a fucking shark coming. But probably a cop ahead. They're always like, yeah, pull that dude over. He's going too much. He's going 392 style. And we ain't got in sport. See, sport wasting gas, man. Got some gas money, man. Send it over. This is the hood scat, man. So I'm talking real lives. Shit. Burning out gas like a motherfucker. Now I did that shit yesterday. I was like, damn. Like, yo. What the fuck was you doing? And now it's a beautiful day in Boston, man. Clear skies. Shit. Hope everybody having a great day. Great day. Are you having a great day? I know I am. Get to the bag. Right now, I think it's 61 right now. A little hot but chilly. See how this thing go, man. It ain't really shit. Just give y'all an update type shit. Have a little combo. It's fucking hot in this shit. You hear that wind? Get out the way! Thank you! I appreciate you! Yeah. See what's going on, man? Ain't shit but a chicken wing, man. Damn, I think I get out like that. 10:30 type shit. And all the jobs probably at 1 a.m. So then probably get a nap. Sleep in the car. Like, yeah, I'm knocked out type shit. Just get my little nap in. Get off in the morning. How you gonna get over it? Stop and grind. You got climbs you can't climb no more. Reach to the top. Till there ain't no top no more. There's always a top. To get what you want to get. But yeah, it's like a highway. Keep going. You got your first exit. Keep going. Second exit. Sometimes it'll be that one exit that get you there, but you always have to keep going though. It's like a highway. Just keep dancing. I got a chair out there. highway. Just keep your ass going, man. Don't stop, man. Don't let nobody stop. You don't even be stopping like on this side right here. You see all that traffic? People gonna have all that fucking shit. Just go fucking block your road all the time. But it's fine though. You got it though. Gotta stay focused. Stay focused and be open-minded. Life ain't no game. It's real shit. Real life. Live it. Earn what you want to earn. Be the best. Fuck what other people's talking about. Dogs. But yeah, I had to get y'all, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all a little POV with your boy Glow Scat 617. It's been a while. I'm trying to get the boys linked up. But everybody got different schedules, so I have to just bear with me. Sometimes it might be only me type shit. Yo, look, ain't nothing wrong with that. I got y'all though. Whoever's watching on God. Don't forget my Celtics, man. I know we down fucking 3-0. Everybody think we about to get sweet. But let's bring it back home to Boston after we take this dub tomorrow. Shit. If we don't take a dub, I ain't gonna say if fuck that, we gonna take a dub. Celtics ain't giving up. Dogs, we not getting sweet like this. Then come back next year and beat them. I know they want their rematch and shit, but fuck all that shit. They nice though, but we had to get our money back. Fuck that. Unfinished business. Dogs. But I get back with y'all, man. Subscribe, like, comment. You know what I'm saying? Tell y'all mama to tell their daddy, to tell their girlfriends, to tell their nieces to turn up. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Nigga. Fuck. Like, nigga, you all over the place. Fuck, nigga. Yeah. Keep on winning. Keep on pushing. Yes, sir. It's a nice ride. Nice way on the high ski, man. Yeah, that go. Gotta get ready. You see the sun going down type shit. Gotta keep it in control. Yes, sir. This is nice, man. Driving a fast car on the so-called empty shit. Late night. But sick. Cops be out here. Just lurking. I just want you to look at the beautiful sky. You see the trees. Look at just walking through, not even walking, riding through the city. You know we going home. About to put on Netflix on this motherfucker. Dogs, keep pushing. That's how we get it, man. That's how we get it. 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 Straight like that. Nice way. I'm hungry and shit too. All work-ish. But I go to my other job-ish. You know how that go. My brake fix. Scat up being the Shabiana. You dig?